Have you ever thought people only make money on Instagram if they have lakhs of followers? Well, that's not true. In fact, many creators with just 1k to 10k followers are already earning money every month. The secret is not having millions of followers. The secret is having the right audience and using the right strategy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you simple and practical ways to make money on Instagram even if you are just getting started. Do you need lots of followers? No. Many brands now prefer working with small creators because they usually have better engagement and a strong connection with their audience. If people trust your recommendations, brands are happy to work with you. So don't worry if you have only 1000 followers or 5000 followers. You can still start earning. Now, how much can you earn? There is no fixed amount. It depends on your niche, your engagement, your audience, the type of content you are making. For example, a small creator might earn around $50 to $100 for one sponsored post. As your audience grows, your income can grow too. But remember, Instagram should not be your only source of income. The smartest creators earn money in multiple ways. So let's talk about them. Method 1 is sponsored posts. This is the most common way. Like a brand pays you to promote its product or service. You can create a reel, story or post and they pay you for it. Before accepting a deal, always discuss how many posts you need to create, when to post them, your payment, whether the brand can reuse your content. Only promote products that you genuinely like. Your audience trusts you, so don't break that trust. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Here is how it works. You get a special link from a company. When someone buys through your link, you can earn commission through it. The best part is you don't need your own product. You can recommend product you already use. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank and LTK. Just be honest in your reviews. People buy from creators they trust. Moving on to method 3, sell your own products or services. This is one of the best long-term ways to earn money. Instead of promoting someone else's product, sell your own product. For example, you can sell ebooks, online courses, presets, templates, workout plans, coaching or consulting. The biggest advantage for this is you keep most of the profit and build your own business. Now let's talk about how do brands find you. There are two ways. First is you contact brands. Send a simple email or DM introducing yourself and explain how you can help them. Second is let brands find you. Create a professional profile and join influencer platforms. As your page grows, more brands will start reaching you out. Now let's talk about how much should you charge. If you are just starting, keep your pricing simple. Charge a fixed amount for each post or reel. As your audience and engagement grows, increase your rates as well. Don't be afraid to charge fairly. If your content helps a business make sales, your work has value. Always be honest whenever you are promoting a paid partnership, always mention it. Use tags like hashtag ad or hashtag sponsored or Instagram's paid partnership label. Being honest builds your trust, and trust is what keeps your audience coming back. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.